Oh, now it's working. Hi, I just picked up this Fidget cube. I just opened up from this box here. That it came from the mail. Fidget pad. Came with a little holder here and a little handle. Let me just show you quickly how it looks like. It looks similar to the Fidget cube, but you don't have to use two hands to operate this. You just use one hand, and you could use this as a fidget tool or fidget toy or whatever you call it you want to use it for. Your snapper, high, medium, low. Your twirler. It twirls around your finger. On the side you got the rollers. On the side of this you got some grips that you could hold on to when you're doing this. On the top you have this little snapback thing here, and of course your twirler and your snapper.